So today you cooked a restaurant quality meal for a family of 4. From what I see from your benches, it looks like the $50 went a pretty long way. Today we will be tasting from each of your 4 servings. We expect consistent quality across all 4 plates. Because we don't have a family here, Damien, Bjorn will be the 2 uncles. And for the kids, please welcome my nephew, Max, and his good friend, Caden. Oh, so cute! Hello.
It's really adorable to see kids that age walk into the MasterChef kitchen, especially because my son's all grown up and threatening to be a teenager. I think the kids will love our dishes.
Max and Caden, are we ready to start tasting?
Yes!
Yeah? Good. The first team up to the tasting table is the green tea.
I'm not feeling that confident because I made some mistakes to the recipe. Hopefully we can get away with it.
Tell us what you have here.
We made our version of a chili crab pasta with fresh mussel tagliatelle and a chili crab sauce, and for dessert, a Chinese 5-spice creme brulee.
So, handmade pasta? Who made the pasta?
Actually, it was a bit of a team effort.
Yeah.
And the sauce, again, team effort?
Sauce was me.
Sauces.
Ooh.
Best pasta I've had in a recent memory.
Oh, wow.
No kidding.
Thank you.
No kidding.
You know, to hear that from Bjorn, that's a huge compliment for our team.
All right. Let me know what you think.
How is it, Max?
Super good.
Oh.
Right, buddy.
Caden, how was it?
Very good.
So when I hear that Max and Caden say that this is really good pasta, that was a good feeling.
It's my turn. Guys, sauce is perfect. I forgive you for not putting crab in. Well done, guys.
Thank you, Chef.
Okay, let's try dessert.
Caden, you're inhaling that. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's so good about it?
It's sweet.
It's sweet!
It's sweet enough for me, not too sweet. But I'm very disappointed that this is not as good as that, because if this was as good as that, I don't even have to taste the rest of them. I would announce you guys the winners straight away.
Thank you, guys.
I am super confident that we're gonna make it. After the dessert though, I'm not so sure.
The next team we would like to taste is the yellow team.
I just can't wait for the kids to taste our dish. I really hope that they like our simple flavors.
What have you cooked for us today?
Today we have pan-seared potato scalled barramundi with egg and potato mash, with an orange fennel salad and a crispy skin.
And for dessert, we have ginger poached pear with orange chantilly cream and sponge.
The textures are all quite soft. Potatoes are crispy, but they're just a little bit small layer on top. You know, butter would have elevated this dish to another level.
We're gonna try your dessert now. All right. There you go, Caden, that's yours. And that's yours, Max. What do you think?
I don't really like the cream.
Okay. Caden, what about you?
I don't really like the cream.
You don't like the cream too. The cake is sweet, the pears are sweet, and the cream is so sweet. That could have had much less sugar in it. And give us some acid. You bought 1 lemon? Where did it go?
The fish.
We could have poached it together with the pear, you know. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Jen and I, we really worked together in sync. But sadly, our dish didn't come out the way we envisioned.
Last but not least, the red team.
I'm thrilled with what we have actually cooked for a family meal. As a team, we have given our 200%. I think we have done enough that we will not go to a pressure test.
Tell us what the dishes are. What have you made for us today?
We have the chicken, which is spiced with Moroccan herbs, Moroccan spices, onion fritters.
And then herb rice, some salad, and then roast potatoes.
For dessert, we have an orange chocolate cake.
This rice is just so good. The salad is so refreshing with the orange segments and the juices. It's amazing what you've created in that 1 hour. Max, look at them in the eyes and tell them what the food is like.
Super, super good.
Thank you. That is so nice. It's really adorable when they said, oh, it's super duper good. My heart just wants to burst with happiness and pride.
The big reveal.
Let's see this chicken.
Huge disappointment, huge disappointment. I was so looking forward to that.
My biggest nightmare just came true. I served raw, inedible chicken to the judges on MasterChef.
Shall we move on to dessert?
That's okay.
Thank you.
Max.
It's not as good as what I think it was going to be.
It's halfway being a bread and a cake.
Thanks. Back to you, benches.
Thank you.
I feel so bad for Samya. I was definitely too overconfident for this challenge. At this point, I'm really hoping that the other dishes are okay enough for us to win the challenge.